kitchen area. So we're going to start by talking about the kitchen cabinetry for your home. So if you are building a Hometown Series home, the included cabinetry would be the Arlington style. This will come with a soft close drawer option. It is available in the oak finishes for the Hometown Series, or for the Designer and Americana series, as well as condos will be a maple finish. If you are looking for a painted cabinet, then that would lead us to our starting price point, which is the Hancock. The Hancock is an MDF based door and offers multiple different finish options. If you are looking for more of a stained cabinetry option, then we'll also venture down the road of some stain options, some hickories, as well as some maples and different door styles that we have available. A lot of information from here is pulled from your design questionnaire, so that will be our starting point. All right, so countertops. Once we make our cabinet selection, then that will lead us into countertops. All of the countertops in your home are going to come included as a laminate. Laminate has really come a long way with some great visuals. We have some that have some more of that marbling quartz look, and then also have some just more granite type looks as well. As you can see on our granite wall here, some of these we actually have laminates that will totally disappear right into these. So a lot of great visuals there. If you're looking for a hard surface countertop option, then we'll start with our granite. Our granite series 1 is going to be the top row. Series 2 is going to be the bottom row. These are a natural stone, so they are mined from the earth. They are a porous material, but they'll come on site with a 10-year sealer. From there, we do have 3 levels of our quartz options. Quartz 1 is going to be more of your stable patterns. Quartz 2 is going to introduce some more light patterning, and our Quartz 3 options here introduce some more patterning, different color options. Quartz is a man-made product, so it is non-porous.
Welcome to the bathroom area. There's a variety of different things to think about in this area. One being your vanity height. Your included vanity height is going to be 31.5 inches high. This is showcasing the backsaver height vanity, which would raise that to 36 inches, the same height as your kitchen countertop. Your included mirror is going to be a plate glass mirror. You can change those to trimmed mirrors for a little bit more of a visual appeal. We also have shower door options, whether that be a framed shower door or a Euro style door, which will swing both ways. In the bathrooms, if you have a tub shower unit, that will be included as a fiberglass tub shower unit used with a shower curtain.
We are now in the exterior, so this is of course the largest part of the home from the outside, so what you're going to drive up to every day. We have again 2 levels of siding. We have our included level of siding. Those are going to be your lighter, more muted color tones. We also have our select siding, so that is going to offer some deeper, bolder tones for the exterior. We also have a variety of stone that is all in one level of price point, as well as a few brick styles. We have a couple colors of architecture shingles that we'll be walking through, as well as even a multitude of colors for your front door. So we like to call this your personalization area. We do, however, limit architecture design to the different communities. So therefore, we do not allow the same color of home to be side by side or across the street from each other. So here in the studio, we will walk you through that and let you know which colors are on each side and around you. So again, you can have that personalization for your own home.
Welcome to the hearth room. In this area, we're going to talk about the fireplace. If you have a fireplace included in your plan, or you choose to add one for some extra warmth, there are different mantle styles you can choose from. We have mantle A and B, which would be included, and that would come with an included tile surround. We also have mantle C, mantle D, which is thicker and deeper for large items if you like to display at the holidays, as well as a solid cedar beam, which we would only use with stone, again, to add some cozy atmosphere to the living room. Welcome to the railing section. All of our homes come included with a half wall. However, if you want to dress that up and open it up, you can do an open style railing, which is what you see here. This is showcasing the cottage style rail. You can also dress up that railing with a deluxe newel post, which will have a white base as well as a top trim cap that will be stained to coordinate either with your floor or your kitchen cabinetry.